Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Mural things as well. On that note, we're gonna go in and take a look. So we're gonna come back in this space in a little bit. Got some other market stuff too. Largo, Mercado, Municipal, 1939. That's the street sign right there. Okay, we're going to devote a whole video just to this Largo do Mercado Municipal. And you can see this is all new in here. So I'm just going to walk into it and walk around it. So you're going to see all these stalls in here. We'll walk around this. Largo is square. And then you can kind of see, and you got these nice murals as well. Okay, so stay tuned for that. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so what we're going to be doing in a moment is we're going to go into this little Municipal. And then on the sides, you can see all of these little things, so we're going to see all of that as well. And just kind of see what they have to offer here. That's got some nice balconies. Nice mural things as well. On that note, we're going to go in and take a look. And this was actually under repair. So I filmed this for this other video, but now it's all new. So they have all these new places now. So you can buy fresh meat, and it looks very, very clean as well. It didn't always look, it was very old before, but now it's like super, super clean. And I think they're also doing it to the red market too. They're changing it and creating got some really fresh fish there too. I think they're closing is what's happening right now. It's a closing time. Washrooms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out to here. You can see the street that we were at, so I filmed that street recently. So because I filmed it, I'm just going to go around in a square. So we're going to come back in this space in a little bit. Got some other market stuff too. Fresh fruits, lots of restaurants. So this is called the Largo do Mercado Municipal. And we're just going to walk down. We're going to walk around it. Give you an idea what it looks like. You got lots of other businesses all the way through here too. Even iPhones. So they're selling vegetables. Fresh vegetables. So you get fresh meat inside and fresh vegetables outside. And let me just kind of see where we are. So this is our Mercado, so that's another entrance right there. And I think the Largo, okay, so this street right here is a different street. And then this one is the Largo right there. So we're actually on the Largo. So that's part of the Largo right there. So we're gonna go down a little bit further, and we're gonna basically walk around in a square. Largo actually means square, anyways, in context. We got some nice side streets up here, like Supresa. So that'll lead down to, there's a hospital up on the hill. So that will lead right down to this Mercado. And there's more in different directions, but we're going to stay focused with ours. So there's stuff up there, but that's our Mercado. You got the nice lighting right there. Largo do Mercado Municipal 1939. That's the street sign right there. Okay, so actually this little market is more active than some of the other sides of the market. Potted plants. So we started in this spot, but before there's also this area down that way, which was another street that we just filmed a little while ago. So that's the Mercado Municipal building. And we're gonna just stick with going around it, and then we're gonna go all the way down to the end. We'll also just kind of show you what else we see around here. I guess the businesses on the right are more interesting. So the Mercado Square is basically these two streets. They'll go around this Mercado. Just to give you a little bit of context, there's more fruits. So the meat is on the inside and the fruits you can buy on the outside. And this goes up to the Rua de Thomas de Rosa, which has more kind of cool stuff everywhere. And then you can also take this this up to the other side of the street as well. So okay, so there you go, another little slice of Macau. This little Mercado. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la voz minha.